Hi everyone, Joe here. Listen up, because if you're smashing the gym week in, week out, but not seeing the gains you deserve, then you need to listen up right now. Chances are you're making one of these 7 big mistakes, and trust me, they're holding you back. From ego lifting to dodgy diets, these common errors are absolutely crushing your gains. But don't worry, we're gonna sort you out today. We're gonna break down each mistake and get you back on track to building that lean, mean muscle machine you're working towards. Make sure you stick around till the end, because mistake number 7 is a sneaky one that 90% of people don't even realize they're making. Smash that like button if you're serious about making gains, and let's dive in. Alright, let's talk about ego lifting. We've all seen it. That guy in the gym, loading up the bar with way more weight than he can handle, grunting and groaning, using his whole body to swing it up for one messy rep. Listen, lifting heavier than you can handle isn't impressive, it's dangerous. You're not doing yourself any favors, and you're putting yourself at risk of serious injury. Using momentum instead of engaging your muscles is cheating yourself out of proper form and gains. And trust me, you don't want to mess around with injuries, especially when it comes to your lower back, shoulders and knees. Those can sideline you for weeks, even months. So ditch the ego, alright? Focus on using 70 to 80% of your max weight, the weight where you can maintain perfect form for every single rep. Control the weight, don't let it control you. No swinging, no bouncing, just smooth, controlled movements. Remember, it's all about time under tension for maximum muscle growth. Now let's talk intensity. Because just going through the motions in the gym is a one-way ticket to snoozeville. And it's certainly not going to build any muscle. If you're strolling into the gym and using the same weights week after week, month after month, you're basically taking your muscles on a leisurely walk in the park. We need to get those muscles fired up, feeling the burn. You should be finishing your workout with that good kind of muscle fatigue, knowing you've pushed yourself. We're talking about pushing your sets close to muscle failure, where those last 2 reps are a real struggle, but you dig deep and power through them. And don't be afraid to mix things up. Bring on the drop sets, the supersets, and let's talk about progressive overload. Gradually increasing your weights or reps each week is the key to shocking those muscles into growth. And one more thing, keep those rest periods short. We want to keep that heart rate up and maximize your calorie burn. Alright, let's talk about form, because bad form equals wasted reps, plain and simple. You can be lifting the heaviest weights in the gym, but if your technique is sloppy, you're not hitting the right muscles and you're setting yourself up for injury. Rounding your back on deadlifts and squats is a big no-no. Keep that spine straight, and don't even think about bouncing the bar on the bench press. Control the weight throughout the entire exercise. And guys, half-repping exercises like bicep curls and leg presses is cheating yourselves. You're only working the muscle through half of its range of motion. Remember, quality over quantity always wins. Start with a lighter weight if you need to, and really focus on mastering the proper technique. Record yourself or ask a trainer for feedback to make sure you're doing it right. Use a full range of motion to activate all those muscle fibers and maximize your gains. Now this one's important, and I don't want to hear any excuses. Skipping leg day doesn't just make you look imbalanced, it's holding back your entire body's progress. Training legs is a full-body workout. It boosts your overall muscle growth by releasing testosterone and HGH, those muscle-building hormones we all need. Plus, strong legs improve your balance, posture, and athleticism. And trust me, having a strong lower body translates to better performance on all lifts, even bench press. So don't neglect those legs. Aim to train them at least twice a week, not just once. And prioritize those compound movements: squats, lunges, deadlifts, and leg presses. They work multiple muscle groups simultaneously, giving you the biggest bang for your buck. Now, you can hit the gym as hard as you like, but if your diet is letting you down, your gains will be stuck in the mud. You've got to fuel those muscles properly, and that means getting enough protein. Think of protein as the building blocks of muscle. Your muscles need it to grow and repair after all that hard work you're putting in at the gym. Not eating enough protein means slower recovery and less muscle growth. So, how much protein do you need? Aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily. It might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's doable. Prioritize lean protein sources like chicken, eggs, beef, fish, Greek yogurt, and whey protein. And plan your meals ahead of time to stay on track and avoid those diet disasters. Alright, let's talk about warm-ups and cool-downs. I know they might seem like a drag, but trust me, they're non-negotiable. Taking just 5 minutes to warm up properly can save you months of recovery from injuries. A good warm-up prepares your muscles and joints for the workout ahead, increasing blood flow and flexibility. This helps to reduce your risk of injury and actually improves your performance during your workout. So, before you jump into those heavy lifts, spend 5 to 10 minutes doing some dynamic stretching and light cardio to get your heart rate up. Think arm circles, leg swings, jumping jacks, and high knees. And always start your workout with lighter warm-up sets before going heavy. This helps to prime your muscles and get them ready for the heavier weights. And don't forget to cool down after your workout. Spend another 5 to 10 minutes doing some static stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Now, this last mistake is a sneaky one, but it's so important. If you're not tracking your progress, how do you know if you're actually improving? It's like driving a car with your eyes closed. You need to know where you've been, where you are now, and where you're going. If you can't remember how much weight you lifted last session or you haven't set any goals for yourself, you're just drifting along, hoping for the best. It's time to take control. Grab yourself a workout log or download a fitness app and start tracking your weights, reps, and sets for every single workout. This allows you to see how far you've come and identify areas where you might need to push harder. And don't forget to take progress pictures every month. Seeing those visual changes can be incredibly motivating. Remember, knowledge is power. By tracking your progress, you can adjust your workouts and nutrition accordingly to maximize your gains and reach your fitness goals faster. Now that you know the 7 workout mistakes that have been holding back your gains, it's time to ditch them for good. Remember, knowledge is power, and now you have the power to transform your workouts and start seeing the results you deserve. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more awesome fitness tips, and let me know in the comments below which mistake you've struggled with the most. Let's help each other out. Keep lifting smart, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.